Affiliate marketing is a strategy that is increasingly becoming crucial for business owners and entrepreneurs seeking growth and expansion. In this video, we're going to learn about the world of affiliate marketing, explaining why it's a crucial element in modern marketing strategies, how it can be effectively implemented to promote your products or services, and the immense potential it holds in scaling your business. Let's jump right in. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is more than just a marketing strategy. It's a powerful tool for business expansion and customer outreach. It involves a partnership where you, the business owner, collaborate with external parties or affiliates. These affiliates promote your products or services and, in return, receive a commission for each sale or lead they generate. This strategy leverages diverse networks, extending your brand's reach and tapping into audiences you might not have access to otherwise. It's a win-win situation where you benefit from increased sales and your affiliates earn through successful promotions. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of affiliate marketing for your business. Cost-effective advertising. Perhaps the most appealing aspect of affiliate marketing is its cost effectiveness. Unlike traditional advertising where costs are incurred upfront, affiliate marketing is performance-based. This means you only pay when actual results are achieved, be it sales, leads, or clicks. Extended reach and diversity. Affiliates come with their own audience and reach. This diversity allows your brand to penetrate various markets and niches, expanding your overall reach. Trust and credibility boost. Affiliates often have established relationships with their audience. When they recommend your product, it comes with a level of trust and credibility, which is hard to achieve through conventional advertising. Scalability and flexibility. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. As your business grows, so can your affiliate network, allowing for gradual expansion without overwhelming your resources. Amazon's affiliate program is an exemplary model of how affiliate marketing can be scaled. From small bloggers to large-scale websites, Amazon associates leverage a vast network of affiliates, contributing significantly to their global sales. How can you set up an affiliate marketing program? First of all, identifying the ideal affiliates. The success of your affiliate program largely depends on the affiliates you choose. It's vital to partner with affiliates whose audiences align with your target market. This involves researching potential affiliates, understanding their audience demographics, and ensuring their brand values align with yours. Setting commission structures and incentives. The right commission structure is key to attracting and retaining quality affiliates. It's important to strike a balance between attractive commissions for your affiliates and maintaining your profit margins. Consider tiered commission structures to reward higher performing affiliates. And allocating resources. Providing your affiliates with the necessary tools and resources is essential. This includes marketing materials, product samples, and comprehensive training on your products or services. Bluehost's affiliate program stands out in the web hosting space due to its high commission rates and the extensive support provided to affiliates. By equipping affiliates with effective promotional materials and offering competitive payouts, Bluehost has created a robust program that drives substantial sales. Why should you use affiliate links? These are the main reasons. It motivates your affiliates. Beyond financial incentives, recognizing and rewarding your top-performing affiliates can significantly boost their motivation. This can include exclusive offers, higher commission tiers, or public recognition. It improves your communication channels. Establishing regular communication channels with your affiliates keeps them engaged and informed. This can be through newsletters, webinars, or dedicated support channels. Keeping your affiliates updated on new products, promotions, and sales strategies helps them align their efforts with your business goals. And it optimates affiliate tools. User-friendly and efficient affiliate tools are vital. This includes intuitive dashboards, easy link generation, and transparent tracking systems. The easier it is for affiliates to promote your products, the more likely they are to do it effectively. HubSpot stands out in its affiliate program by providing more than just financial rewards. It also offers comprehensive training and resources. This emphasis on equipping affiliates with extensive knowledge and tools has led to the creation of a highly efficient and driven affiliate community. This is how you can track and optimize your affiliate campaigns. Utilizing advanced tracking software. To effectively manage and optimize your affiliate program, employing sophisticated tracking software is a must. This software provides insights into sales, click-through rates, and the overall effectiveness of individual affiliates. Data-driven adjustments. Continuously analyze your campaign data to identify successful strategies and areas for improvement. This might involve adjusting commission rates, changing promotional materials, or reevaluating your affiliate partners. Feedback and adaptation. Creating a feedback loop with your affiliates can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. This open communication can lead to improvements in your program and better align with your marketing objectives. ClickBank, renowned for its affiliate marketplace, offers robust tracking and analytical tools. These tools enable vendors and affiliates to fine-tune their strategies, ensuring optimized performance and increased profitability. Affiliate marketing is not just a tool for immediate sales growth. It's a strategic approach to building long-term business relationships and expanding your market reach. As your network of affiliates grows, so does your brand's presence in the market. It's a growth model that emphasizes partnerships and collaborative success. To sum up, affiliate marketing offers an unmatched opportunity for business growth and expansion. By strategically setting up, managing, and optimizing your affiliate program, you can transform it into a key driver of sales and business development. Remember, the success of affiliate marketing lies in strong partnerships, strategic foresight, and continuous improvement. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe. Click on the video on the screen to learn how to create a professional marketing brief. See you in the next video.